How does Mendeley work? If you are a student or researcher looking for a way to manage your academic resources, you might be curious about how Mendeley works. Let's break it down step by step. Mendeley is a tool designed to help you organize your research materials efficiently. It serves as both a reference manager and a platform for annotating and sharing documents. You can access Mendeley online through a web browser or download it as a desktop application. This flexibility is great for different study environments. To get started, you need to create an account and set up your personal library. This library is where you will store all your research papers, articles, and other documents. You can add references in several ways. One option is to import PDF files directly into your library. Another way is to drag files into the library. You can also use browser extensions to capture information from academic websites. Mendeley automatically extracts details like author names, titles, and publication dates from these documents. This feature saves you a lot of time on manual data entry. Once you have your references in the library, Mendeley offers features to help you organize them. You can sort references into folders or collections based on projects or subjects. This organization makes it easier to find what you need later. Mendeley also allows you to highlight and annotate PDFs right within the platform. This means you can take notes and mark important sections without switching applications. A standout feature for students is Mendeley's integration with word processors like Microsoft Word and OpenOffice. With a plugin called Mendeley Cite, you can insert citations and generate bibliographies in various academic styles directly in your documents. This integration streamlines the writing process and ensures that your references are formatted correctly. Mendeley also supports collaboration. You can share references and documents with classmates or research groups. This is particularly useful for group projects. The platform includes a social component where you can discover and connect with others in your field, although this is less important for many students. For practical study hacks, Mendeley can help you build a personal knowledge base. By regularly adding and organizing your research materials, you create a searchable library that grows with your studies. The ability to annotate and highlight PDFs means that important information is always at your fingertips. Plus, the Citation tool helps you avoid last-minute formatting stress when writing papers. In essence, Mendeley provides a user-friendly system for collecting, organizing, annotating, and citing research materials. Its integration with word processors and support for collaboration make it a practical choice for students looking to streamline their study process.